Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and I upload a variety of content, and hopefully some of this content will spark your interest. If you are an existing subscriber, thanks for all of your love and support and for liking and sharing my videos. Now for this video, this is a family video of my daughter's baby shower, and my husband and I, we are so excited because we're having our first grandson, but he's also our third grandchild. And come on in and let me share with you all the things that my daughter and I done to make this baby shower a success. So guys, as you can see, we decided to have the shower here at my home. It's a small gathering with family and friends, and she decided to go with the theme "We Can Barely Wait" with the cute teddy bear on there. And this is where we displayed the cake and the cupcakes and desserts here on my bar in the dining room. And then on my credenza is where we displayed all of the take-home parting gifts with the candy and the little desserts that we put in these little boxes ourselves. So we did all of this, and here is where we decided to put the food where the guests can help themselves as much as they want to with food, and we had plenty of it. They had enough to even take home plates. And I want to give a shout out to everybody who helped with the menu. Every time we do a family gathering or an event, this is what we love to do. We call on people that we know people are going to love the food. So I want to give a shout out to Whitney for doing the sausages and rice, to Lucius for doing his famous beans, baked beans, and to my sister for doing the potato salad, and my husband who did the Carolina pulled pork, smoked it on the grill, and all of the chicken that we had, and my daughter herself, she did the mac and cheese. So our menu, we always have a go-to for when we're doing things like this, and I want to give a shout out to everybody who always come through for us, the family and the friends. And here, guys, is where the guests would stop on their way in also to see the welcome sign here that I made. And I did this with my Cricut, my cutting machine. And then we used an oversized stuffed bear to help with the prompt for decorations here. Thanks to my niece Jessica, that's her bear. And we just set that up for decoration and used a smaller bear that we already had for Cairo with a hat and a blanket with its name on it. Now guys, here is the area where all of the family and friends, they ate. And this is the table we had set up with appetizers of fruit and a charcuterie board of cheese and crackers and that sort for guests. And then this is the game cart that we had set up with games and the gifts. And then this is the backdrop. Shout out to my niece and Amber for doing all of this. And this is Cairo's name in the boxes and everything we set up with the decorations. We done all ourselves, my daughter and my niece Jessica. And then this is the theme, of course, We Can Barely Wait with the backdrop. I made this diaper cake, and I did a DIY last weekend, a quick DIY, you can check that out, of that BOHO diaper cake. And then these are pictures of his ultrasound. My daughter wanted to put into these picture frames where the guests could come in and look at that. And then in each corner here we have the gifts displayed that people have ordered and sent from her gift registry on Amazon here. And then on the other side we have gifts that people brought in and add in as well. So again, I want to give a shout out to my niece Jessica and my daughter. They did all of the background, all of the decorations, and of course help from my daughter's best friend Whitney, and how we all decorated. She went with the BOHO theme, so we set the table and had everything done that way. Guys, this is something that we really love to do. My daughter and my niece and I, we like to decorate and do our own parties and events in the family here, and they love to do the backdrop and balloons and the decorations. And again, I would like to thank all of those who help, that always come through for us with the menus when we need them. Thanks again, and thanks to Whitney and Jessica, my niece, for being the host and making sure everything went well throughout the party. And thanks guys for watching and joining in on this special occasion. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.